In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify inventory not tracked. First, open your Shopify admin and look to the left-hand menu. Click on Products to bring up the list of items in your store. This is where you manage everything related to what you sell, including inventory settings. Take a moment to find and click the product that needs attention. Choosing the exact product ensures you make changes only where they belong. Once you're on the product page, scroll down to the Inventory section. Here is the control center for tracking how many units you have available. If inventory tracking is not enabled, the system won't subtract items when customers purchase them, which can lead to overselling. To fix that, check the box next to Track Quantity. Enabling this option tells Shopify to start monitoring stock levels automatically. After turning on tracking, set the current stock level so the system reflects reality. Find the available field and enter the correct number of units you have on hand. Be accurate here. If your counts are off, your inventory reports won't be reliable. If you recently conducted a physical count or received a shipment, use that number. Updating this field gets Shopify in sync with your actual inventory. Next, configure the Continue Selling option, which controls whether customers can place orders when an item is out of stock. This setting affects customer experience and how you manage back orders. If you want sales to stop automatically when inventory hits zero, make sure Continue Selling when out of stock is unchecked. That prevents new orders for items you don't have. If instead you accept back orders or pre-orders, check the box to allow sales of out-of-stock items. Choosing this path can keep sales flowing, but remember to manage expectations with clear messaging on the product page and to fulfill orders as stock becomes available. Finally, save your changes. Click Save at the top or bottom of the product page to apply the new settings. Without saving, changes you've made to tracking, available quantity, or selling preferences won't take effect. A quick tip: after saving, it's a good idea to double-check the product page in your storefront and confirm the inventory behavior matches your expectation. If you manage multiple locations or variants, review those areas too, so everything remains accurate. That's it. Enabling tracking, entering the correct stock, choosing how to handle out-of-stock sales, and saving will resolve most issues with Shopify inventory not being tracked.